Okay, the next thing is type of link. So there are two types of links. One is inbound link, another is outbound link. Inbound link means a link coming to my website is an inbound link. Outbound link is the link which I'm giving to other website is an outbound link. Okay, it's very clear. Inbound means a link coming to my website. Outbound is if I am giving a link to another website, that is inbound and outbound. Okay. Another type of link is internal link, external link. Okay. Internal, and the fourth one is external. Okay. What is internal link? If I'm giving a link within my website, it's an internal link. Okay. If I'm giving an link to the outside world, okay, then it is an external link. Okay. And if an external link coming to me, it will be if any link coming from outside the website, it will also be an external link. Okay, internal link within the domain like loanbroker.in, giving a link from one page to another page of the website is internal. If loanbroker.in give a link to uh, henryhowing.com, then it is an external link. Okay, so let me explain you internal and external links and inbound and outbound links. Okay, let's suppose domain A is giving a link to domain B. Okay, so domain A is getting a link from domain B. For domain A, it's an inbound link because link is coming to domain A. For domain B, it is an outbound link because domain B is giving a link to domain A. Okay, clear? It depends on which is your website. If your domain A, for you it's an inbound link. For domain B, it is an outbound link. Okay, for domain A, it is an external link. Inbound external link. The link is coming from external website. Similarly, for domain B, it is an outbound and external because it is giving to another domain. So it is inbound external and outbound external. It depends on perspective of A or perspective of B, domain B. Second is outbound link. If domain A is giving a link to domain A only, page 1 to page 2, then it is an outbound link for page 1, internal, because it is giving within the domain, okay, and it is giving outside it, outbound and internal. Whereas for domain A, page 2, it is an inbound because the link coming to it, and it is internal. Okay, so this is how you can differentiate and understand the whole process. Is that clear to everyone? Inbound, outbound, internal, external. So Aditya says, so inbound external link is what we need for SEO. Yes. Not only that, but I will talk about different type of links when we will do it. Let's understand first the terminology. Let's not go into the strategy part of it right now, Aditya. Okay. We need multiple type of links. Now, there is a term called follow and no follow link. Now, what is a follow link? Follow link is primarily a link which tells you or tells search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing that you can crawl and go to that website. Okay, that means you are telling the search engines that I am passing the link juice. Okay, remember the concept link juice. I'm passing this link juice to these website or to these web pages. Okay, follow means it is passing the link juice or telling crawlers to crawl that particular website. Whereas no follow tells Google or any other search engine that do not follow that link means do not go on that website, crawl it, and I'm not passing any link juice to that particular website. Okay, so whenever now let's come to a conclusion, Aditya and others. here is whenever we are giving external links, okay, we should give a no follow link. Like if I give a link to Facebook, I will give a no follow link. That means if Google asks a search engine crawler has to go on these social media profiles, they can go, and user should be also can go from it, but there will be no follow. For search engine, Google crawlers will not go on that page, but user can go it. Okay, whether it's a full follow or a no follow, for user it's a clickable link, it can go on it on that page. But for search engine, you are not passing your website link juice to Facebook or others. That is 99% times happened with social media. That's why these social media sites have huge PA and DA value. Like if I type facebook.com, okay, look at their PA 100, DA 96. Why? Any of the social media sites, it's not Snapchat. I believe it's Snapchat only. Okay, look at their DA. Why it is high? Why it is so high? Because of one simple reason is that everyone gives them a link. Every single website is giving them a link, and 99% of them doesn't know whether we should give a follow link or a no follow link. By default, the link is follow link. So these websites get the most follow links, and they have very high DA and okay. So whenever you don't define any link that it is a follow or a no follow, by default for search engine, it is a follow link. Okay, but when you define it no follow, it becomes a no follow link. How to define it is very simple. If you remember the anchor text uh, syntax or the code is, if you guys remember, ahref is your target URL where you want to send the user, and here is the anchor text, whatever text you want to show to user to click on it. And if you add this code to it, okay, rel equal to in double quotes no follow, means search engine will not pass your link juice, search engine will not go to that particular page. That saves your link juice. And overall, the more link juice you save, the higher chances of your website to rank. Okay, is that concept clear to everyone of follow, no follow? Tell me guys, is that concept clear? Press 1 or 2 into the chat box if you have questions. Shiv Krishna says repeat it. What part you want me to repeat? I've talked 10-15 minutes on it. What about others? Okay, follow. Yeah, please, Shiva and Aditya, one by one, you can unmute and ask your question specifically where you have a doubt. I can explain it again, no issues.
So yeah, I'll ask them. So basically, if we give an external link on our website, an outbound external link, then we should not let. I mean, we should give the option of no follow in that.
Yeah, correct.
So if we give a follow link, then what is the harm? The harm is that our page rank will go down.
Not exactly our page rank will go down, but if we are giving links like I'm just giving a number to link juice. Let's say my link juice is 100. If I have 10 outbound links to it, then link juice passes to each one of them is 10. The ranking of that page remains the same. But if I start giving to external link, these external link will get boosting. Imagine one case where all the 10 external link, all the 10 links which I'm giving are external. All the link juices pass to them. But let's suppose I have 5 internal links and 5 external links. So only 10% will be given to my internal links and 10% will be to external links. But if I give a no follow link to these outbound external links and follow to internal links, instead of 10% link juice, my links will get 20% link juice.
Okay.
Got it? Why we want it to be no follow?
So is there any situation where we are supposed to give a follow external link?
There are multiple situations like Wikipedia really doesn't matter. Any page which where you have you don't have any internal page to recommend, you can give link to external pages.
Okay. So like my website has external links to say CIBIL.com. CIBIL is Credit Information Bureau. CIBIL, www.cibil.com. So it should be a follow link or an unfollow link?
It could be unfollow link.
Unfollow. Or maybe few banks website, if we give, again, it should be an unfollow link.
For bank website, for sure, no follow.
Okay.
Okay. But for CIBIL, you can give a follow because that is the godmother website in your domain to check the eligibility. So really doesn't matter whether you give a link or not, but if you give a follow link, really it doesn't create. Like out of 10 links you have on your website, if you give one CIBIL link, a do follow, and other 10 external links, 9 external link you are giving no follow, and another 9 external internal links you are giving a follow, that means you have 19 links on your website. Only 10 have a follow link. So 10% value just passed on to CIBIL really doesn't, is not really a problem. Okay.
Competition website, we are not supposed to give a follow link.
No, not at all.
Okay. And also, if you can explain how to add this code, practically how to add this code. I mean,
wherever you see, wherever in coding, if you go, wherever you see this code over here, you have to add this code. Just write this code in this before closing tab. Okay.
Okay. Well,
you have to find out in each and every page where you have given a link and add this code to it. Okay, one thing. Second thing is you can ask your developer to build a module for you where you have an option to select. Whenever you are placing a link, that option will ask you, do you want to give a follow or a no follow link? And in the case of WordPress, what you get is a no follow WordPress plugin. Okay. So this generally this tool converts all your external links into no follow. Okay, in case of WordPress. That answers your question, I believe.
Yeah. For WordPress, yes, but I have to check for my own website.
Okay, like you have to just ask your web developer to add this kind of thing. Like when you are giving a link, you will get this kind of pop-up. You will ask him to add an option to it, and if he adds it, then you can decide on which link you want to give do follow, no follow. Okay. Shiva Krishna asked about
inbound. I'm not asking inbound, sir. I'm asking on which basis we will decide follow or not follow. On which
internal
basis?
links follow, external links no follow. In exceptional cases, when any site which is not your competitor, you can give a follow link. Okay. And give minimum number of follow links to external website. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Chaitanya asks, what is the difference between link juice and backlinks? Link juice is an abstract number or a value which determines how valuable your page is, and whereas it's a just link. Link juice is a concept. There is no way to calculate it. Whereas the backlink is exactly the links which are coming to your website or going from your website. Okay, this is actual activity you can see. Like if I go on this, if I click, this is a link. Okay, and if it is going to some external website, it is a backlink to that website. So it's a physical thing. You can see it, you can calculate it, whereas link juice is a concept. You can't really calculate it. Ranjana says if you remove this code, it will automatically be a follow link. Yes, it will be automatically a follow link.